Welcome to the another session of class 7th social science, and in this session we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter. Your question number first is tick the correct options, and its first question is, before assuming the office of Sultan of Delhi, Balban was the prime minister of which sultan? दिल्ली का सुल्तान बनने से पहले बलबन किस सुल्तान का प्राइम मिनिस्टर था? एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, दैट इज नसीरुद्दीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच सुल्तान मेड ए सक्सेसफुल अटेम्प्ट टू फ्री हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल ऑफ उलेमाज? कौन सा पहला ऐसा सुल्तान था जिसने उलेमाज से अपने आप को अलग किया था? एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, अलाउद्दीन. Question number third, which of the following cities was not founded by फिरोज तुगलक? फिरोज तुगलक ने इनमें से कौन कौन सी सिटी नहीं बनाई थी? एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, हिसार. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द फर्स्ट एवर लेडी सुल्तान ऑफ इंडिया रजिया सुल्तान ascended the throne in 1236 CE आफ्टर. जो भारत की पहली महिला सुल्तान थी रजिया सुल्तान, वो किसके बाद बनी थी? एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज रुकनुद्दीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग फिरोज तुगलक इज नॉट करेक्ट? इनमें से कौन सा सही नहीं है? एंड इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ही एग्जेम्प्टेड द हिंदूज फ्रॉम पेइंग जजिया. Now we move on to question number 2, which is of fill in the blanks question. Your first question is, slave dynasty was founded by dash, and its correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Slave dynasty was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 2, dash founded the new city of Agra in dash, and correct answer is Sikandar Lodi founded the new city of Agra in 1506 CE. Third, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by dash in the battle of dash in dash, and correct answer is Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur in the battle of Panipat in 1526 CE. Question number 4, Hindu society was based on dash system, and its correct answer is caste. Hindu society was based on caste system. Question number 5, Indian foreign trade was carried on both by dash and dash. Its correct answer is sea and land. Indian foreign trade was carried on by both by sea and land. Question number 6, dash was the writer of Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi, and correct answer is Barani. Barani was the writer of Tariq-e-Firuz Shahi. Now third question, which is match the following questions. First is Alauddin, and its matching is D, Alai Darwaza. Second is Taimur, and its matching is E, that is Samarkand. Third is Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and its matching is A, Juna Khan. Fourth is Kuwait ul Islam Mosque, and its correct matching is B, that is Qutbuddin Aibak. And fifth one is Muhammad Ghori, and its correct matching is C, that is Prithviraj Chauhan. Now we move on to question answers of short question answers. Question number 1, name 2 literary gems of Qutbuddin Aibak's court, and its correct answer is the 2 literary gems of the Qutbuddin Aibak's court were Hasan Azmi and Mubarak Shah. Question number 2, when and between whom was the first battle of Panipat fought? पानीपत की पहली लड़ाई किसके बीच में हुई थी? And its answer is the first battle of Panipat fought between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur कब? In 1526 CE. Question number 3rd. Mention 4 social evils prevalent in the Hindu society during the Sultanate period. हिंदू सोसाइटी में की 4 सामाजिक बुराइयां कौन कौन सी थीं? 4 social evils prevalent in the Hindu society during the Sultanate period were sati system, child marriage, ban on widow remarriage and female education. Question number 4. Mention 4 items which were exported from India. वो 4 आइटम्स कौन कौन सी थी जो इंडिया से एक्सपोर्ट हम विदेशों में भेजते थे? एंड इट्स आंसर इज 4 items which were exported from India were राइस मतलब चावल, स्पीसीज मतलब मसाले, इंडिगो मतलब नील जो कपड़ों में लगाते हैं, एंड टेक्सटाइल्स मतलब कपड़े. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नेम 2 सुल्तान्स हु केप्ट द उलेमास अवे फ्रॉम द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. वो 2 सुल्तान कौन कौन से थे जिन्होंने उलेमास को एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से अलग रखा था? एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज 2 sultans who kept the ulemas away from the administrations were Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq.